Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you're looking for a great pair of earbuds, that the main feature, something that I love from them, is that they are going to stay in your ears no matter what. This Skullcandy Sesh noise cancellation earbuds are great. So something, I have funny ear shapes. So most of the time when I use an earbud, they will fall out. Doesn't matter how different ear tips, different shapes, different locations, same problem. So with this ones, I found the perfect stability, the right fit, but they just to stay in my ears. Workout, moving around the house, working from home. These guys have a great audio, great bass, and their noise canceling function. It's just great. The controls of this, it's cool because it's, instead of being tab buttons that sometimes you miss them, sometimes you don't know where it is, these are like buttons. You go from a long tap to change the song, one tap or one punch just to go into a pause mode, and it just works great. So if you're in the market to look a great pair of earbuds that are gonna do the work, stay forever in your ears, this one's from Skullcandy. They do the job. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.